Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zafar. I am the manager in administration, Mumtaz Bakhtawar Hospital, Wazir Road, Lahore. Thank you, TrueSolar, for the opportunity to give you feedback to your services. We have recently thought about going towards an alternative source for our electricity consumption. And apart from LESCO, we found out about your profile, and we included that later. We came about a very thorough professional team that laid their infrastructure here, and we are very happy using your equipment, and it is supporting our system. Well, on the technical side, we trash their services as well. Their equipment was well aligned with what we had the contract with them. Their panels, their wiring, their substitute alternate conversions, and the other equipment such as inverters were of premier quality provided to us, and their functionality is smoothly going. We're happy with their services. Well, we will also reviewed their structures installed, such as the panels, the rims and all, and we've seen that they have the capability to resist any untoward cyclones and bad weather conditions. Well, we required 100 kV system from them, and it is producing up to the max of its capacity. And this shows the precision and obviously the quality of the product that has been offered. And we happily recommend it to the other users.